Hey, it's Sue here from the Unicorn Advisory, your trusted Kajabi expert with a Kajabi quick tip for you. Now, when you are navigating around your Kajabi site, you may find in the pages, website, or product area that you see a little button that says update. And you might be wondering, well, do I need to do that? Or you might go to do it and be a little bit scared about the message because sometimes you might be wondering if you're going to break something if you do it. But do not worry, the update option is there for you to be able to use some of the new functionality that Kajabi may have brought out since your template page was originally created or since the page that you loaded into Kajabi was originally created. And thankfully, updating is really, really simple. So whenever you see this little option to update, so we'll start with the pages, the landing page option, you can just click on it and it will tell you the latest update that is available. Now, if you want to find out exactly what is being updated, click on to get details and it will take you through to the change log for either the Encore page, the Encore website, or the products. And this is some of the changes that were made in July 2023. And you can choose if you want those things to be available to you. You might look at these and go, oh, I don't know if I actually really need those. And if you don't, there is no need to update it. You can always keep them updated if you just always like to have the most updated page. And to do it, you just click onto preview update and tick that you understand any changes you've made using the code editor may not be applied. Now, for code editor, that means the actual liquid code editor that comes with Kajabi and is only available on the Pro or the Access plan. If you have not been playing around in code in Kajabi, which most of us would not have been, you don't need to worry. If you've made HTML code or CSS code changes like custom fonts and things like that, again, you won't need to worry too much about it. It's only if you've made actual liquid code changes. The other situation where you may not want to do it is if you have purchased a template from a seller that has a coded template. Now, usually these sellers will give you a warning when you install saying, please do not update the pages, and they will help you with any updates that are needed. So updates are usually okay. And worst case scenario, if we click onto update now and something happens and something goes wrong, thankfully it is really easy to revert that change. So you don't need to be worried about updating. And like I said, it is optional. And in some cases, you may not need to update. It may just be if there is additional functionality that those updates bring that you're like, oh, I want to use that. For example, there was an audio block edition that was made. There was a carousel template edition, a carousel section template edition that was made. So things like that, you might want to use that functionality on your page. And in that case, you need to update it. But often it's not critical. It's just there for you if you want it. So it will tell you that your product has been, your page has been updated. And if you ever want to check if it needs to be updated, you can click into update page. And this is also where you can revert back on the off chance that something broke on the page or something happened and you weren't happy with it. You can always revert back. So good to know that you've got those options. So in your landing pages, it's going to show up down here and it'll just be update and you can click on to that at any time. In your website area, it is going to appear where you have your actual templates. So it'll just have this update area and you can just click on that and go through the same process, see what the changes are. Generally, website and landing page changes are going to be pretty similar. For your actual course area, you'll need to click onto your course, and this is only for your courses, not for the coaching community and podcasts. So this is for your actual course area. So just click into your course, and then you want to go through to customize. And once you are in customize, you will be able to click onto the three dots. Sometimes it might show update here, but there's just been an update that's been rolled out in the last few weeks, and I noticed that it didn't show update. So if it doesn't, especially in the product, make sure you click on these three dots and click onto update template, and it will tell you whether you're using the latest version or whether there is an update available. So we have some other templates that we have installed here, so we can see on these ones if there is an update available. Nope, that is using the latest version. So if it is needed to be updated, you can update that, but Especially in your products, there's been a recent addition which allows you to add the community to your course and actually embed it inside your course. So if you are using Kajabi Community and you want to have that in your course, then that is an absolutely awesome update that you might want to apply to the themes for your products. So even if the template isn't currently active, you can still go and install that update to your product themes or your product templates. If you do have any questions about uploading, please do let me know. But hopefully, this is helpful for you to be able to know where to update your website, your landing pages, and your products, and what situations that you need to do. If you would like some more Kajabi quick tips, please do make sure you get on the quick tips list at theunicornadvisory.com/quick tips. And if this video was helpful, please do click the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. Know that I will be doing a happy dance if you do. See you next time.